Hi there, this is Elle. I'm going to show you how to create a professional looking email signature in Gmail like this one here, completely free. Why is an email signature important? Well, it may seem like a small detail, but it's actually a powerful tool. A clean, well-designed signature instantly boosts your credibility, reinforces your brand, and makes it easy to share key links like your website, LinkedIn profile, and even a call to action. When I started working with clients and building my professional presence, I realized how much a polished signature can help you make the right first impression. It's one of the easiest ways to communicate who you are and where people can find you every single time you hit the send button. So in this video, I'll walk you step by step through setting up a custom email signature in Gmail. Let's jump in. First step, we need to know how to create an email signature in Gmail. To do this, find the gear icon here, click on it, and click on See All Settings. Here, we need to scroll all the way down. Right here, click on Create New. We can just name it Simple. All right, you can see here, you're able to create multiple signatures for different use cases. Now, here you can type what you want, such as John Smith, CEO of ABC, and some social informations. You will also be able to link your company, and then you can add a hyperlink here, as well as you can insert images. Now, here's one inconvenience. You are not able to create a multiple column setup. So for example, we may want to have a headshot on the left side and then the content on the right side. So that look will make it more professional. And today I'm going to share with you how to achieve that effect easily using Google Doc. So first, you just need to open a new Google Doc. And it's really simple. The very first step, we'll need to create a table. Now, let's go to Insert, Table. Now here, we just need two blocks for a simple design of two columns with one profile picture and the other side some text you need. Let's create a 2x1 table. You might think, oh, it looks nothing like what I want. Don't worry, we can just quickly adjust that. We can make this wider. So we probably want, let's say, a picture here, multiple lines of text with your name, title, company affiliation, some socials. All right, I know what you're thinking. These lines are kind of ugly and we don't need that. And don't worry, I will show you how to make them invisible in just a few minutes. So I just inserted my headshot here. And in order to do this, you just need to click on Insert here and Image. So I chose Upload from Computer. If you have a headshot profile picture saved in Drive or from the URL, you can use these other options. Headshot in an email signature by industry standard is 100 by 100 pixels. So I'm using this one here. If you have a larger photo, you can easily tweak that using Preview if you're using Mac. What is really convenient here is we can use this to adjust our table width. So I'm gonna move this line a little here, roughly, let's say probably a little bit here, about 2 times of the width of the profile picture cell. And now next step, we can just add in the text we want. So I just typed my info here, so name and title and my company. So I'd like to add homepage plus a Calendly link for my contacts to book a call with me. And you can feel free to design in whatever format that pleases you. I choose font size 10 because by default, Gmail uses font size 10 in the body of the email. If you have changed your default setting and the font size, you should adjust as you wish. For example, I like to bold the name. And I also wanted to add a home page. I'm just going to my website and copy and paste and go back to the Google Doc and apply. Or you can add in another link. Here, book a call. Okay, very cool. Very last step in this design is to add in the socials such as LinkedIn or YouTube channel, whatever you prefer. Okay, so in order to add those icons, we just need to go to Google and type social media icons for email signature. I actually like to go to this website. You go here, you scroll down. I really like the rounded square design of these social icons since it is considered more friendly. I would just choose this 20 by 20 pixels. So it's really convenient that if you don't want to click every single one of them to download, just download all of them together in a zip file. So you just need to click on this one or whatever size that you want, and it will prompt you to download a zip file containing all the social media icons. Since I already downloaded that, I won't do that here again. I will provide a hyperlink down below in the description section so you can easily find the same icons. All right, so let's add the social media icons. Click on Insert, Images, and Upload from Computer. This is the folder of icons that I just downloaded. I'm going to choose 4 icons, which are YouTube, X, Spotify, and LinkedIn. You can choose whatever icons you'd like to add. And again, I am using a 20 by 20 icons. If you prefer, you can use 24 by 24, and these are the 2 most popular size options for adding social media icons in your email signature. So I'm just going to quickly add in the 4 icons. All right, so here we have the icons, and then we can adjust the sequence, perhaps add in a little bit more space in between. Okay, right. Here we just need to add in the hyperlinks to these different icons. And it's really easy. Just select the icons, click on the hyperlink, insert link button here, and paste in the link and click on apply. Right, so it's a clickable icon. We can just use the same procedure to make all the icons we choose clickable. One another formatting feature we might want to choose is about line width. So we can go to these line paragraph spacing icon here. I set it up to be 1.15 line space, and you can try this one, 1.5, perhaps it looks more spacious. Yeah. So now it looks pretty good. We are going to use the magic to make invisible borders. Some of you may have wondered if we can achieve the same effect using Google Sheet. The answer is yes, except for the borders part. So in Google Sheet, you can remove the border and copy and paste, but somehow a really faint border line will still show up. And even if you make the borders white in a Google Sheet, it will work in most cases, except for the night mode when the white borders will show up. So we're gonna do this in Google Doc, since if we select all the table, all right, and we go to the 3 dots here to see more. These are the editing features for table. As you can see, this is background color, border color. So obviously, the first thing popping up in our mind is make it white, but I just said that it won't work very well in the night mode. So instead, we want to make the border width from right now the default is 1 to 0. All right, so that's the magical moment. And the really convenient part is if we design our email signature here in the Google Doc, we can directly copy and paste in the Gmail signature setting without losing anything. What you see here is what you're going to see in your email signature. Great. Now we're just going to execute a very exciting last step, copy and paste. So let's select all here and copy it and go to the Gmail signature settings here and just paste everything here. See, it's wonderful. We're not losing any picture quality, the design, spacing, hyperlinks, let's see, hyperlinks to homepage, book a call, and also to the icons. This is really convenient. There's almost no adjustment you need to do. And the design you saw we did in Google Doc show up perfectly in the signature editing box. You see, you can add in some last minute adjustment if you want, but I think it looks cool. Let's make sure you set it up properly. So under signature defaults, new emails used. Now we can just select sample, signature we just designed, apply forward use. I'd like to leave this one blank because I don't want to add more signatures and auto reply send forward. I wanted to make that choice by case. Perfect. And don't forget, we need to scroll down and see changes. This is really important. Okay, now let's do a test. Compose. It's already showing up. Well, check out my new email signature. Test. Hey, let's send a test. Right, see, I think it looks perfect. Everything is clickable. Now I'm going to my LinkedIn page. Let's go back and check out home page. Yeah, everything worked out pretty good. So I hope you really enjoyed today's tutorial and put your newly learned skill into use. Don't forget to share your feedback and ask any questions down in the comment section below. Have a wonderful day.